Good morning, and thank you for joining me, Coach Michael, on your Monday morning. Today we're going to talk about managing your organization in the middle. And let me explain what I mean by that. Many business owners, CEOs, entrepreneurs manage their business from the top down. And the top down is something that's very, very necessary. It's about creating the culture, the structure, the systems of the organization, your hiring process, your onboarding process, your review process with your employees so you retain them, keep them happy. It's about implementing all the things you need to do to create a systemized, structured business. It's about sitting down and interviewing people, having the right conversations, working on you becoming a great leader. Everything it takes to be an entrepreneur, a business owner, a business leader, to create the structure, to create a business that works for you. That's the top down. The bottom up is knowing your numbers inside and out. So you can sit down and look at your QuickBooks or sit down with your accountant or your bookkeeper, of which they're delivering the numbers you need that you can identify to make decisions, to look at all the different line items month in and month out, to see if there's any variances or out of order that's inconsistent with everything else. So you're able to make decisions for your business based on your P&L, your line items, and how those percentages and those costs relate to something else. Like marketing. Whatever money you're spending on marketing, what result are you getting? Or how are you measuring it? How are you positioning the people that are doing your marketing so that their expectations are in order so they know exactly what you're looking for so you can measure them properly? These are all the decisions you will make from knowing your numbers and managing bottom up. Now the goal, first of all, some people are really good at managing top down. Some people are really good managing bottom up. But the goal is to manage in the middle, to master both the top down and the bottom up. Now there's a lot of different behaviors of those who run businesses. Some are really good at really managing numbers, spreadsheets, and analyzing that stuff. So they're really good, obviously, on the bottom up. Some people, really good people persons, they're great leaders. They know how to motivate and inspire their team. They know how to create the culture and the environment, and they really are able to run the business top down very well. If you're not good at the bottom up, hire somebody. Get a bookkeeper, get a CPA, and make sure they report to you accordingly. But your goal in business is to manage in the middle. Whatever you have to do, whoever you need to hire, whoever you need to surround yourself with, your goal is to manage and master from the top down and the bottom up, so you're managing in the middle. And when you manage in the middle, you're killing it. You've got everything in place. You've got the structure, the systems, the culture. Your team is aligned with the brand of the organization, and you know your numbers, and you know them well, and you're making the decisions accordingly. And you're not getting out of balance managing from a balance sheet where you forget your people, and managing top down where people are important and you're forgetting the balance sheet. You're managing the middle and you're doing business right. If you want to learn more of how to manage in the middle, feel free to reach out to me, Coach Michael. However, I want to thank you always for joining me on your Monday morning. I want to wish you a productive and proper week. Go get them, and I'll see you next Monday. Good morning, Coach Michael here. Thank you for viewing this recent video. Next week, September 30th, for any of you that want to get down and dirty and spend the entire day out of your business, working on your business, creating tremendous clarity while brainstorming and masterminding with other entrepreneurs and business owners, join us Friday, September 30th in Fort Lauderdale for a day of masterminding, brainstorming, and creating clarity so you could have the best fourth quarter you've ever had in your business. Hope to see you there. Be sure to register.